Once a billionaire asked how he became one. He said, remember rules. Rule number one, if you don't come from a rich family, then a rich family come from you. Rule number two, forget about the girl and focus on a one woman. She can help you to achieve everything. Rule number three, you will never be criticized by someone who is doing less than, who is doing better than you. You will never be criticized to someone who is doing better than you. You will every time criticize by those who is doing less than you. Rule number 4, a winner is just a loser who tried to one more time. Rule number 5, people get really mad when you don't let them use you. Rule number 6, never post your achievement. Your post should be stupid and rough stuff and jokes. So they'll be think that you have nothing, your future is not, because people hate progress seriously. Rule number 7, when you become lazy, it's disrespectful to you, those who believe you. When you become lazy, it's disrespectful to those who believe in you. Rule number 8, 6 months of hard work, consistency, focus, and discipline can change your life forever. If you are doing, then congratulations. If you are not, you are probably never going to see us again, okay?